Morning, Steve Reed in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Overnight, prices of grain started out lower but actually rallied. Weaker dollar might be helping the funds come in and buy beans. Also hopes for a trade deal between U.S. and China. On Friday, both the head negotiator for China and also the President of the United States tweeted some information that suggests that they want a deal. The problem with it is that if they sign it in November, it won't take effect until 2 years down the road. So we'll just see how much the Chinese come in and buy, especially beans and pork, before a deal is signed. There is some talk that last week China was an active buyer of Brazil beans, but they also may, overnight or over the weekend, may have been buying some U.S. soybeans. I think technically everything looks good. It just seems like it's overbought. Funds are long beans and short corn. A lot of fundamentalists don't think we need to trade much over 950 in November beans. That corn is stuck in a trading range between 360 and 410 on the December. Over in the corn, we'll be watching exports and demand, but right now it looks like the export pace is below what the USDA is expecting, which could offset maybe a little bit lower crop. We're expecting that corn harvest to be somewhere between 34 and 38% done. 47 is the average. Beans 43 to 45 and 64% is the average. So we're still behind, and some people think that because of this we could lose bushels from what the USDA said in October, and especially for beans that may be supportive. We've got 2 rain systems for the Midwest, one today and then one a week from today. Temperatures should remain on the cool side. We're estimating that about 40% of the Brazil soybean crop is planted, and conditions down there look like they're starting to get into the rainy season in Brazil, and some rain is forecasted across parts of Argentina. So down in South America, it offers kind of a negative bias. So I think trade issues, watching the dollar, watching Brie exit, watching anything out of Washington lately, looking at crop conditions and harvest progress and yields, all depends on where prices are going to go. And some people think the beans are at the higher end of the trading range, but are afraid to sell it if the funds keep coming in and buying. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM or ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day.